Hello everyone. What we're seeing now is a single-axis tracking photovoltaic PV bracket. Here is the base pillar of the bracket, which connects to the slewing system through minor components. Inside the slewing system is a gear mechanism that drives the photovoltaic panel above. The power for the slewing system is transmitted by the synchronizing shaft beneath the main shaft. Currently, bolts and nuts connect the column and the slewing system. But rivets can also be used for these connections. We're currently installing bobtail to mount the assembly to the column. Compared to bolts and nuts, rivets are much easier to be installed and can increase the installation efficiency by over 20%. Moreover, it requires no frequent maintenance checks for fastening failure, making it a genuinely non-loosening bolt. Boom rivets replace the previous bolts and nuts between the two main shafts and the slewing system. Now observe the connections between the PV panels and the main shaft, as well as the connection between the two main shafts and the slewing system. Boom, rivets have replaced conventional bolts and nuts. Bobtail or hem-firm rivets could also be used. The hem-firm rivets are more cost-effective than the bobtail. What you see here is the summary of fastening connections in the single-axis tracking system. Thank you.